Alright friends, now let's talk about getting input from the user. In Python sometimes we want the user to enter something, enter some value. So in our exercise, this is so often we need this. In future lessons, we will build more complex exercises using user input. So how will the user enter this value? We will use the input function in Python. So let's write it. I write input function. Inside the input, I'm giving my messages to the user. For example, please enter a value, for example. Then the user can type a value and the program will wait them to do so. What will we need to do? We need to store this value that I get from the user. To store user's input, we can write something like this. For example, I can define a number variable and then I can say numbers equal to whatever user enter. If I write number value on the screen using print function, inside the print function I use number variable, I run it. What appears on the screen? Please enter a value. I click here. For example, I write 34. I say enter, I click enter. If I print this value, this is number value is right now 34. But be careful, this value is string. Whatever user enters, it's string value. It's not number value. If we want to see number type, the type of the number, I can print it. For example, type, inside the type, I can write number. If I run it, you will see. Right now, I'm giving 34 again. You will see class cetera. Cetera means string value. So what does it mean? Whatever user enters here, it's string value. If I need number value, what I need to do? I need to cast it. I need to convert it. So do it again for different value, different variable. I copy and paste here. I can say number real, for example. I get a value from the user. So I need to cast to the integer value. So for casting, I use int function. So I cut it and paste it inside the int function. If I do that, I can use number real again, and I want to see the type of number real. So I copy and paste here. I copy number real here and paste here. I run it. First, for number value, I am writing 34. You see it's string value. I am writing 34 again. For number real value, I click enter. Right now you see class int. It means this is integer value. So I get value by using this. This is a string value. So I am casting this string value to the integer using integer. So I see on the screen, this is integer value. So to summarize, we use input function to get data from the user. And inside the input function, we give a message inside the parentheses using within the double quotes. We just give a message what user will do. The message consists of this, and then we store this value we get from the user. We store it in a variable without doing any operation. This is string value. If I need integer value, I need to cast it. For example, here I cast it. If I need the float value, for example, I need to cast to the float value by using float function. I can do that. Okay, that's all for this lesson. See you in the next lesson.